What is up? What is up? It is Mr. Silverman himself, Mr. Freeman here, with new unboxing to show you. So like I always say, get rich and keep stacking, right? Well, today I want to show you my beautiful coin. Look at that. The Liberty coin. And you can see it, 2015 at the bottom. Okay, this is, as you can see, upside down. I was wondering why I couldn't do it, but as you can see here, it's 1 ounce. I'm sorry, 1 ounce fine sterling silver, $1 coin. Okay, United States of America Eagle. Look at that. Look at that. This is beautiful. Nice, heavy. You know, I don't want to take it out of the plastic, but actually, you know what? Whatever. I got gloves on. This is a mirror finish, okay? Look at the thickness of that. Pure silver, ladies and gentlemen. 999. Beautiful. Beautiful. Look at that. Look at the thickness. Look at that. Oh, and it weighs so nicely. Okay, put that back in there. I like to keep that closed up. Okay, and I'll put her right there. To the collection of my other silver. Okay, remember I got the 1 ounce Prospector 999 silver. That's 1 troy ounce. This here, as you can see here, these are my 5 ounces. I'm sorry, my 5 grams. All these are my 5 grams. This is my 10 gram. These are my, here are Canadian troy ounces. See the leaf? Okay. 100 mils, 999 silver. Beautiful, shiny, loving it, loving it. Okay, put that back there. Here's another one. Okay, as you can see, 1 troy ounce, 9995 silver, made in the United States. Okay, beautiful. Look at that. I'm loving it. So I love my troy ounces. As I before, I showed you my 10 ounce and most influential, important people in the United States. This is history, ladies and gentlemen. As you see here, Daniel Webster. We honor America. 1 troy ounce of fine silver. But today, I got my new package in. So here it is. There it is. Gonna cover my name and address. Okay. So let's see what we got. Okay. So what you see here is 1 5 ounce pure silver golden bar. So just give me a second and I'm gonna take this up. Give me 1 second. Okay, so here we go. Now this is a 5 ounce bar. Okay, so as you can see, it's much bigger, much heavier. And you see here, it says 5 ounces, 999 fine silver, 5 ounces. Look at that. Sunshine, minting. This is beautiful. See here? Now there's a card that you get and it reads this little circle in the middle, and that's how you can authenticate that is real. See, look at the thickness. Oh my god. So nicely done. Look at that. All the way around. Very nice, very nice. So this puts me at around 25 ounces of pure silver. So look at that. Oh, I'm so happy. I'm so psyched that I got this in. See how big it is? See how big that is? I'm so psyched. Now, this is 5 ounces. This is 1 ounce. See the difference? Okay. See the thickness of this? 1 ounce silver bar. And see the thickness of that? 5 ounce silver bar. 5 ounce. 1 ounce. 5 of these makes 1 of these. It's beautiful. So, yep. So there's my unpacking today. This is beautiful. So psyched. Oh, I love this. Yep, there it is. 5 ounce. Beautiful bar. Very heavy. It's heavy too. Nice weight to it. A nice weight to it. Wow. Okay, well, that's my unpacking for today. So, add this to my collection. Put that sideways. And there it is. Got my Eagle, my Liberty, my 5 ounce bar to add my collection to make it 25 ounces. So, there we go. God bless you all. Get rich and keep stacking. And I'll see you on the next unboxing. Talk to you later. Have a nice day. Peace.